Hello beautiful people, this is Neelam and you are watching Over the Rainbow. Today's topic is what your doodles say about you. Doodles, scribbles and drawing, whatever you call them. We all doodle when we are bored. Even we have done it in the middle of the meeting or in the lecture or even when you are on the phone. You might find your hand starts to doodle in mindless way. When you doodle, your pen is guided by your subconscious mind which holds your thoughts and secrets and also takes the control of your behavior. So you will be surprised to know that these scribbles gives out various tiny details about your personality. These doodles can also suggest a lot about your mood and characteristics. Is it cool, right? Let's dig into the hidden meaning of doodle. Here are the most common doodles and their meanings. So, what's your doodle? Doodling eyes represents the inner personality of the person drawing them. If you draw large eyes, you have an outgoing personality. Staring eyes demonstrate the feeling of being watched. Closed eyes may indicate a refusal to look inside oneself, and sad and happy laughing eyes can reflect how the person feels deep inside. They may be drawn by people who want to be attractive. Many drawn at once suggest that the person feels to be watched by someone. People who doodle eyes are vigilant and in severe cases they are observant. Someone who draws butterflies, birds, dragonflies, or other flying creatures, their true meaning is really a desire to be free and not tied down. Doodles of flying animals may crop up more if you feel strained by particularly frustrating work. Next one is the faces. The expression on a doodle face is often a good indication of the mood or the character of the person who has drawn it. A nicely drawn, a good looking face suggests you see the good in others. If you sketch weird and ugly faces, it reveals that you don't trust people easily. If you doodle comic faces, that demonstrate a desire to be a center of attention. Drawing a dots and spots unconsciously means you are unstable. If your dots are linked with the lines, it shows that you are frustrated about something, probably a goal you are unable to achieve it. Some people just draw lines. If these lines are drawn with a lot of pressure, they represent aggression. The pressure is basically that decides your mood. The pressure is lighter, the more peace you have in your mind. Next one is the hearts. You tend to make hearts when you are feeling vulnerable, which could be a right after a breakup or in a very beginning of the new relationship. Drawing flowers as your doodle suggests femininity and a desire to see growth and nature. This is the reason why usually girls are observed to draw flowers while they doodle. Moreover, drawing flowers also suggests that you might be becoming aware of your own personality and waiting to bloom. If flowers are in arrangement, it denotes a sense of family and togetherness. Star indicates a feeling of hopefulness, a looking forward or up to things and optimism. If you keep making stars in your notebooks, it means you are determined and imaginative. However, you must not forget that you need to act on your ideas to fulfill your dream. Doodling your name and initial is the common for those who enjoy being center of attention. Teenagers often doodle just their name or their first name or the initial of their name. indicating a desire to break away from the family and do their own things. Doodling someone else's name, it shows that they are in your thoughts. You doodle a plane, ship, car, or a boat. It means that you are looking to escape a situation. These doodles reflect an urge to go someplace new, whether physically or psychologically. Drawing circle represents a need to find unity and a peace. This circle can indicate someone who is struggling to draw everything together and make sense of it. Even this circle made with the round movements, so they indicates more passive feeling. They are associated with the feeling sociable, talkative and friendly with a desire to be flexible and loving. Circles drawn inside each other means that you are searching for unity. However, drawing random circles means you are looking for a friend, emotional support or a craving to get noticed. Doodling the rolling forward wheels represents the independence, and spiral signifies the progress and clarity. Forward moving spiral shows that you are happy with the direction of your life. On the other hand, downward and backward spiral shows that you are confused and need to figure out your life's goal. Triangles are usually drawn by ambitious people, those who will not stop at nothing to achieve their goals and dreams. This shape can also indicate someone is competitive and resourceful, but might also suggest someone has an abrasive personality. Doodling arrows indicates the motivation, drive and feeling of ambitiousness. These people are aggressively ambitious. Those who doodle squares like to be in control and are good at problem solving and organization skill, but need to see tangible results for your efforts. Zigzags are particularly common doodle and show energetic thinking and a desire to get on with things. Their straight lines and sharp corners denote aggression and impatience. If you doodle squiggle lines, it shows middle ground between the direction and exploration. You may know where you need to go, but not how to get there. If someone doodle ladder and stairs, it indicates working towards a goal, whether it is career ambition or personal improvement or even spirituality. The style of your doodle reveals your attitude about the struggle. Next one is the brick wall. Tightly packed brick doodle indicates some obstacle in between you and your goals. Scattered and unconnected bricks indicates a positive association with walls. So last one is the houses. This represents doodler's attitude towards his or her home life. If you like doodling a house or a hut, it denotes you are in the need of security. A neat house with the lots of details indicate a secure home life. And if you doodle messy sketch, however, reveals the sadness at home. If the house is situated on the top of the hill, means you are feeling lonely. Please note that discovering the meaning of doodle isn't an exact science. There are tons of unpredictable factors and uncertainty to make concrete assessment. So guys, what do you usually doodle? What do you think is the meaning of doodles? Share your thoughts in the comment. Next time you doodle on the piece of a paper, Be aware that you are telling the world what is going on deep inside your subconscious mind without meaning to do so. Take your doodles with you. Don't leave them for someone else to interpret because you just might be revealing all of your secrets. So, this is for today. Hope you like my video. Please support me by subscribing my channel and also give thumbs up. See you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, keep watching Over the Rainbow. Bye.